What's your man doing for you this birthday?
I don't know. My friend is over, so I hope he doesn't do anything stupid. Going up paragraph.
No, I don't even trust his names.
Miss. No, but it's Valentine's Day. I just came back from New York, you know, so I don't think so. Because if he does, it's gonna be a problem. Well, he knows I'm crazy.
Let's pray.
Let's pray.
You know that man. I can't trust his head.
I'm in front. Alright. I'm in front to see how far he is. Baby. Wait. Oh, I'm upstairs. My train was out, so but I'm home for it. Valentine's Day, open the front. Oh, what do you do? Okay, you're not far? Okay. Please hurry up because time you call what's in the posty. Oh, so what's in the posty? But it won't go for you. Okay. Okay, I'll see you soon. I love you too. And I'll see you on.
So I come.
What's about 20 minutes away?
Hey. So what then ever? Let me start to say what then ever.
Me, it's a surprise. Valentine's Day because it gotta be a surprise. Let's just wait and see. Just hope it doesn't embarrass me.
Embarrassment, lady.
Eh?
What's all payroll? So
Shut up.
I just sent a video for you on Instagram.
Let me check it. Hold on.
Hey, but when is keeping so long, bro?
Charlie, I don't even know why he's taking so long.
No, why don't you call me?
Hey, Valentine's Day, I'm my friend.
Charlie, you were just saying, my man.
Hey, mommy. I'm a looking for mommy. Mommy needs to,
Hello, sexy.
Hello, sexy.
Hello, sexy.
Hi, baby.
Hello, sexy.
Happy
Oh, happy Valentine's.
Like my dress.
Oh, you're looking so good.
Thank
Come
you.
on. Oh,
Okay, so
beautiful lady.
what did you bring me? Where's my Valentine's Day gift?
No, close your eyes.
I should close my eyes?
Close your eyes. So can you open your eyes?
And this
This is contemporary.
is antivirus.
This is Apim. Yeah.
Like it.
Like
I know you like to joke around a lot. I know it's happening out of your gifts never. Gifts never.
No.
So embarrassing.
I give you a gift. This is your Valentine gift. Contemporary.
I can continue.
Yeah.
Oh, dear girl, Johnny.
No.
I can say
You, what's up with you?
What do you mean, dear girl? I can say it's my Valentine's Day gift.
No, I'm
What
serious.
do you mean, travel more?
No. Give me. And this is your owner.
Yeah?
Yeah. Give me the point. Is this serious? And this is Apim plantain.
Yes.
Oh, this is your Valentine gift.
So wonderful. Amazing.
Okay, Patch, can you guys excuse me for a second? I just want to talk to like...
Shall I give me
Give me a second, excuse me a second, please.
Oh, make it give you a second.
Yeah, like Monk.
No problem.
Okay, yeah, wait.
Our balance, we are waiting for you.
Yeah, okay. Like, Abraham. Midway. Like, Valentine's Day. Consume that person for your day. Huh? Up him, by your like, you really? Are you serious? Why are you behaving? Are you serious? How am I behaving? Why the hell would you bring me here for Valentine's Day?
Give me, you told me, say you need Valentine. Then I give you Valentine.
Yes, I want Valentine's Day gifts. Not direct. Not a board yet. On Instagram, and for boyfriends.
Oh, you can't compare with somebody.
Diamond earrings, Chanel bag, a car. And you give me condom red like you had an iron hat.
So after this one, I will take you to Rich Condoms.
I don't want rich condos right now. I want my Valentine's Day gift right now. I don't want consumer rate. I don't want Apim. And I don't want yam. Don't piss me off, Mikey.
This is your vibe.
I don't want this bullshit. I don't want this bullshit. Don't fucking piss me off. You piss me off. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. All this is bullshit.
Don't say bullshit.
It's bullshit. It's bullshit.
Why are you behaving like that?
Because you're pissing me off. Why the hell would you give me this shit for Valentine's Day? Like,
yo, what's up with you, girl?
Oh my god.
Charlie, what do you want? What do you want? Come here, mommy.
You said that can be
Okay, man.
Boy, you said for you Valentine.
Let me want a house.
No.
This is what you have?
Yeah.
This is what you have.
But give me.
You need to get more. I'm a bad bitch, Likey. Likey, I'm a bad bitch. You will never get a girl like me. You will never ever. Look at the body.
Yeah, I know.
Natural. What are you talking about? What What are you talking about? You fucking with them whack ass bitches. You know what? Go and give this to your bitches in Kumasi. So. Come out, girls. Yes, my I'll put you this.
You're not trying something, nigga.
Get out. You know, just go.
Don't listen, nigga.
Just go.
Listen. I give you Valentine gift, then
That's bullshit.
you see this
Just
guy,
go.
then you disgrace me.
You disgrace yourself.
No, I'm not disgracing myself. You two disgrace me.
I'm disgracing you. You're disgracing your goddamn self. You know, like, just go. Just go before I go crazy on your ass. You know how crazy I get. You know how I get. Brooklyn, don't let me get crazy. So get out. Just go. Just go.
You just call it down. You what's up? You behaving just like that.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm really, like, you really piss me off. My hair ready to be posted or social media be posted. Me give my baby like a baby posted. Where are they posted?
Now if you supposed to control me or Instagram,
Why you slim me?
Why
Oh,
not
like,
say?
Okay, I want a tie crowd.
No, if you do that, you piss me
You're
off.
pissing me off. Just
No,
go. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Don't cry.
Don't touch me because you're really embarrassing. Like, oh my God. Like, don't touch. Just go. Just go.
Are you okay?
It's okay. I'm gonna call you later. Just go.
Are you okay?
Just go. Cause you pissing me off. Just go. You don't love me. Just go. Why are you still here? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You still here?
I'm
Take
going.
your shit and go.
Listen, keep quiet. I gotta go.
Next time, move back for car, bro.
Oh my God. Sophie.
Where your bellman be watching? Valentine Day, you know. A dinner what's in that talk? A dear mouth.
Wow, share about come see. Now we'll buy the buyer anybody. Your body is civil. Should nice girl say, Ube was so the car. If you brought to Efia, jet in the motor. Bro, about the body.
Thank you.
Let me go back on first and be a blender.
Yo, man, shut up. Fucking monkey, okay? Why are you laughing?
Oh, yeah, it's silly. No, because it's funny. How can you come with quantum rare and buyer?
As flowers.
Flowers.
And the flowers in you. Flowers in me. Eh? Smell it. The shit out of my goddamn face. Just get out of my house. Like, you just go. I'm gonna put it in.
You just come on.
Come listen to what?
Yo, pretty girl, I said, come. What's wrong with you? Don't be angry like that, girl. Listen, I'll give you this is Pona. Do you know Pona?
I don't want porn.
So what do you want?
I want a car or like
A car?
Mama, can you all picture type of car?
Massa, man, tell one yes, I didn't want to make one person so many dating French girl. Me one person so many dating. I want to pray for you, then you dating free to go.
Say fresh girl, it was so cacao pay. I want cacao pay.
coffee. You like your hand, so you know I was just like it. Come on, like don't do that. Don't hang on the job. Don't
Don't cry. I'm gonna live here. So I want to take my contomer.
Take it.
Then I take my Pona. Then I take into my frontier to go out.
But so you're not gonna buy me anything else?
I'm coming. Tomorrow I'll come.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Like you know, today is Valentine's Day. I need my gift today.
Sure.
Before the day ends, I gotta post on my Insta. I gotta post it.
Oh, I got you.
I gotta get these bitches mad.
I got you.
Okay?
I got you. Cool down. Cool down, girl. You're pretty good.
So pretty for this bullshit.
Can you give me a 10? That's time. Yeah. In this guy was a moment.
So yeah, so go give me the big body. I want a big body car. I want a Maserati. Ooh, Maserati.
You want
I want a Maserati.
now who book us? I can see into say he's gonna go
Lamborghini, the
I'm
Maserati.
Maserati.
Bad bitch if you're doing a Maserati. That kind of thing. Yeah, Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Red interior.
Yeah.
Valentine's Day, baby, me pen no, and I'm pen the car, Maserati. Not sure me doing what's. Oh my God, if you do that for me, I'll do something really nice for you. Okay? Just give me the car. Okay? You give me the car, just see the nice sexy.
I'll give you a car.
Okay, so go and get it.
mom offer. Pressure. Okay, tomorrow I'll be there.
Not tomorrow.
I say tomorrow. I will be there.
Today is Valentine's Day. Today.
I'll get you.
Today.
I'll get you.
Tonight.
I'll
Before 6 o'clock.
I'll let you. Then I'm the body in the pool.
But I can't do that one.
But so much in the about this.
But you're finding out for your proof.
I won't have them idea. I wish you.
Like I'm waiting for you.
If I didn't tell me your friend.
Tell me, they wait for you. My hands on the phone.
Say, I'm not going to go with Steve Body and Barrow.
Master, you deal with Ochi. I bet you should them. Why? Now get on Tommy. You deal with all the sushi. Campine! Campine! I was scared.
Wifey. Now, what did I do?
English.
Yo, like you know, easy for your mom to buy you this sort things, eh? Why you doing this?
Oh, Niaba.
I'm flower or your bed today.
Oh, Niaba.
Oh, your bed today.
Oh, Niaba, the Papa.
Oh, yeah, come on, you know the post. I want to catch you.
Then you have to have the fish. I found them. I'm catching them. How nice guy, you come the trip. This way.
Oh my God! I don't know why I
If you talk rubbish for them, if you talk rubbish,
You see what?
take your minions and go.
let's go.
Yeah, come and put the spinach. And
What's
tomato.
it called?
Baby, I'm waiting for you. Yeah. Alright. I'm waiting for you. It's about 2 minutes. Oh. Like I'm waiting for my kid.
Hey.
And then I'm posting spinach, no. I'm posting by any point.
Like, I don't even know what to say.
Jesus Christ, this nigga, he be doing too. No, I started dying,
Oh, wait, Papa.
Say clothes and many fools. Say grandpa.
That's why I dance. Why I dance a
Wow, baby girl.
Oh my God.
Wow.
You got a new car?
Oh, you got me the car. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so sexy. It's so big. Oh. It's a motherfucking Maserati.
Look.
Thank you so much.
Akabenezer, your boyfriend, as a birthday gift.
Valentine's Day. I know. Thank you. Big E, baby. Oh my God, hold this. The car. Oh baby, thank you so much.
Oh, 2 flowers.
I love you. Oh, you're so sweet. I can't believe you got me the car. I forget I'm in testing shit. So are you engaged, man?
Go tram one. I have to show
From video. My baby got me the car. Yes, just take the video, Kobe. Jesus. Yes, Big E. Oh my God, Kobe, you're doing too much. Big E, period. Valentine's Day, you bitches is mad. Big E, Maserati.
Yeah,
the name is right there. Big what? Big motherfucking E.
Big E, negative C, A. Big E, negative C, A. Big E, negative C, A.
Mommy ain't got it for me, y'all. Period. Thank you, baby.
My man. Oh, you should say.
Hey! Make sure some. What has me Jimmy for me, boy?
I don't know, oh.
Ba woman in the water. Just when need a brady. Anka emphasis a Valentine Day a drew them in Yabia Mawa. Anka fe, Baka dear, Ubaje. You took an aquameco. Why? Hey, boy, right there!
Oh, Jaisa.
Right
Oh, baby,
come on, move the car.
Babe, don't do
Woman,
that.
see what's from what it. Not some catch or soy a bear and I want today I will show you I'm a man. Hey,
Hey, babe, now the kind of coin. What the kind of coin? Eh? Oh, but what? What's up? Let me pay down. What the kind of coin?
You know, pocket, wouldn't you know one free hand pound?
Oh, if you don't do that.
Charlie,
don't do that.
You can't, but
no.
Now, who girlfriend? Uncle Ba, what opposed to you just wasting your post. You just wasting your post. The said that I'm a bunch in you contumely. Now, what we are saying the bunch in you contumely and more Valentine gift. Miss said that I'm a so worried. Wait, let us say, come and know training and know your money girl. My boy, you a money girl, sir. I'm sorry, do dinner customer can make a wow. I need
I'm going out. Baby, baby, oh, baby, I beg.
Don't ever follow me.
I beg.
Don't ever follow me.
Don't do that to me, please.
Don't ever follow me.
I'm sorry. I love you. You know I love you. I'm not a money girl. You know I'm not a money girl. I'm not.
You're a money girl.
I love you. Don't do that. Please don't go. Don't go.
Oh, to you now, Frank.
Baby, please. Baby, please. Go get the car for me, please. What if I'm ready?
You want contemplate and cassava? You want?